हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एम ए सिविल लेक्चर्स। मैं खान मोहम्मद मोहतशिम। मैंने आप लोगों के लिए एमसीक्यू ऑन एमर्जिंग ट्रेंड्स इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग की लेक्चर सीरीज स्टार्ट की है, जिसका आज हमारा लास्ट लेक्चर है, जिसमें मैं आप लोगों को एमसीक्यू ऑन एडवांसमेंट इन कंस्ट्रक्शन बताने वाला हूं। फ्रॉम 17th ऑफ सितंबर मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक नई सीरीज ला रहा हूं, एमसीक्यू ऑन मेंटेनेंस एंड रिपेयर। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और आपने मेरे लास्ट लेक्चर्स नहीं देखे हैं, एमसीक्यू ऑन सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग टेक्निक्स, एमसीक्यू ऑन रिसेंट कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल, एमसीक्यू ऑन लेटेस्ट टूल्स एंड इक्विपमेंट और एमसीक्यू ऑन सस्टेनेबल रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, तो प्लीज़ आपके स्क्रीन पे आई का सिंबल दिख रहा होगा, उसको आप क्लिक करोगे तो आपको मेरे लास्ट लेक्चर्स मिल जाएंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं एमसीक्यू ऑन एडवांसमेंट इन कंस्ट्रक्शन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड बाय बिल्डिंग इज इक्वल टू एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय बिल्डिंग्स आर कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन ए जीरो एनर्जी बिल्डिंग, ऑप्शन बी एनर्जी सेविंग बिल्डिंग, ऑप्शन सी नॉन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, ऑप्शन डी none of these. The right answer is zero energy building. Question number 2, India first net energy building is option A Indira Paryavaran building, option B Indira Paryavaran Bhavan, option C Indira Green building, option D none of these. The right answer is Indira Paryavaran Bhavan. Question number 3, India first net energy building is located in option A Mumbai, option B Goa, option C New Delhi, option D Hyderabad. The right answer is New Delhi. Question number 4, India's first net energy building is inaugurated in option A 2010, option B 2011, option C 2012, option D 2014. The right answer is 2014. Question number 5, Indira Paryavaran Bhavan was accorded 5-star green building certificate by GRIHA under MNR in option A January 2014, option B February 2014, option C March 2014, option D April 2014. The right answer is January 2014. Question number 6, advantages of zero energy building are: it requires total net monthly cost of living, it reduces total net monthly cost of living. Option B, building owner get isolation from increase in future energy price. Option C, increase comfort. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 7, initial cost for zero energy building is option A high, option B low, option C medium, option D none of these. The right answer is high. Question number 8, IPD Environment Code was initiated in option A January 2008, option B February 2008, option C March 2008, option D April 2008. The right answer is February 2008. Question number 9, components of green building are option A solar panel, option B photovoltaic panel, option C light colored exterior wall, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 10, leadership in energy and environmental design LEED is one of the rating system in option A US, option B India, option C Malaysia, option D UAE. The right answer is US. Question number 11, green building index GBI predominantly used in option A US, option B India, option C Malaysia, option D UAE. The right answer is Malaysia. Question number 12. Green Building Rating System GRIHA used in option A US, option B India, option C Malaysia, option D UAE. The right answer is India. Question number 13. When number of houses is constructed to suit the requirement of population on an area or country, then it is termed as option A mass homes, option B modular homes, option C mass housing, option D modular housing. The right answer is mass housing. Question number 14. India is facing deficiency of dash housing unit presently. Option A 60 million, option B 50 million, option C 40 million, option D 30 million. The right answer is 30 million. Question number 15. Most common precast products are option A hollow core slab, option B partition walls, option C building foundation with precast concrete piles, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 16. Advantages of precast concrete is option A save construction time, option B quality assurance, option C cost effective, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 17. Prefabricated housing is also known as option A prefabs, option B prefab homes, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The right answer is both A and B. Question number 18. Dash homes are built on wheeled steel beams and transport in complete section to the home site for assembly. Option A modular homes, option B manufactured homes, option C mobile homes, option D tiny homes. The right answer is manufactured home. Question number 19. Mobiles and manufactured homes are constructed in accordance with dash building. Option A HUD, option B IRC, option C PEB, option D none of these. The right answer is HUD. Question number 20. The buildings which are engineered at a factory and assembled at site are termed as option A HUD, option B IRC, option C PEB, option D none of these. The right answer is PEB. Question number 21. BIPV means option A building information photovoltaic, option B building integrated photovoltaic, option C building integration photovoltaic, option D none of these. The right answer is building integrated photovoltaic. Question number 22. The computer controlled sequential layer of material to create three-dimensional shape is called as option A 3D printing, option B 3D building, option C 3D house, option D none of these. The right answer is 3D printing. Question number 23. 3D printing was first developed in the option A 1960, option B 1970, option C 1980, option D 1990. The right answer is 1980. Question number 24. 3D printing in construction also known as option A contour crafting, option B building printing, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The right answer is both A and B. Question number 25. Road printer can lay down about dash yard of road per day. Option A 400, option B 500, option C 600, option D 700. The right answer is 400. Question number 26. Which of the following organizations certifies the green building in India? Option A, LEED. Option B, DGNB. Option C, GBI. Option D, GRIHA. The right answer is GRIHA. Question number 27. To reduce use of electricity, one can suggest to use option A, generators, option B, recyclable battery, option C, kerosene based lamp, option D, photovoltaic cell. The right answer is photovoltaic cell. Question number 28. Which of the following is not used for zero energy building? Option A, high efficiency solar panel. Option B, high efficiency heat pump. Option C, highly insulating furniture. Option D, highly insulating low E triple glass window. The right answer is highly insulating furniture. Question number 29. The principle of zero energy building is option A, to reduce carbon emission. Option B, to optimize carpet area. Option C, to minimize use of pollutant. Option D, to use fossil fuel. The right answer is to reduce carbon emission. Question number 30. The main consideration of an earthquake proof building is option A, appearance must be good. Option B, cost should be low. Option C, high strength and ductile. Option D, good elevation. The right answer is high strength and ductile. Question number 31. Rock wool is used in soundproof wall as a option A, construction material. Option B, aesthetic material. Option C, insulating material. Option D, strong material. The right answer is insulating material. Question number 32. MLV is option A, soundproof wall covering. Option B, soundproof wall insulating. Option C, sound deadening board. Option D, none of these. The right answer is soundproof wall covering. Question number 33. Dash has the world's largest magnesium oxide depot. Option A, India. Option B, USA. Option C, China. Option D, Dubai. The right answer is China. Question number 34. The doors used for fast access between internal and external area of building are called as option A, sliding doors. Option B, high performance doors. Option C, panel doors. Option D, rotating doors. The right answer is high performance doors. Question number 35. Benefits of high performance window. Option A, cooling and heating season, energy saving. Option B, improved daylight and view. Option C, reduce condensation. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 36. The building materials designed to prevent water from getting past the barrier is called as option A, moisture barrier. Option B, vapor barrier. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The right answer is both A and B. Question number 37. Micro piles are also known as option A, pin pile. Option B, needle piles. Option C, root piles. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 38. Advantages of micro piles. Option A, fast one-step installation. Option B, simultaneous drilling and grouting. Option C, allow the use of smaller equipment and lower cost. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 39. PVD, prefabricated vertical drains, is best suited in option A, clay. Option B, silt, option C, organic layer, option D, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 40. Prefabricated vertical drains are also known as option A, weak drain, option B, band drains, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. The right answer is both A and B. Thank you for watching this video. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel.